Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying life well. Viewers, in today's video I am going to share with you very beautiful crochet stuffed toys, and I will also share some detail about what is stuffed toys and what is crochet stuffed toys and how to make it. Or if you just want to buy it, then those viewers who sell these designing ideas, just leave the comment below so that other viewers buy these things from you. We have to support small businesses. Reverse stuffed toys is they may also called soft toy or cuddly toy. The stuffed toy originated from the Steve Company of Germany in the late. And reverse crochet stuffed toy is a Japanese art of knitting or crocheting small stuffed yarn creature. Crocheting Adventure with Hyperbolic Plane in a Book of Crochet and Hyperbolic Geometry by Diana Temina. It was published in 2009. Reverse teddy bear, you can also use stitch, knit teddy bear, some other type of animals, or you can add your touch in the toys. Knitting and crochet pattern books for dressing dolls, encyclopedias of dolls from Australia and world region, particularly type of dolls and toys. The key difference between knitting and crochet work is that in crochet work we use complement each stitch at a time, but in knitting work we use 2 to 3 stitches at a time. Also, just leave the comment below that which type of new video you want, or just tell me that you gain information from this video or not. I also try to give you some information about the history of crochet work, about the history of stuffed toy, because mostly viewers